Mark Isherwood ydw I, Aelod Cynulliad Gogledd Cymru. My name's Mark Isherwood, Assembly Member for North Wales. Dwi'n aelod o Blaid Gair ar ôl Cymreig a dwi'n byw yn Pontyboddcyn, Ger y Wyddgrug. So I'm a member of the Welsh Conservative Party and I live in Pontyboddcyn near Mold in Flintshire. I've been an Assembly Member now since 2003, so this is my third term. And my current position, in fact the Shadow Cabinet with the official opposition, is Shadow Minister for Communities, Housing and for North Wales as a region. I also have a number of other positions regarding Assembly cross-party groups. I chair cross-party groups on hospices and palliative care, on autism, on neurological conditions, on fuel poverty, on funerals and bereavement. I'm also co-chair of the Assembly cross-party group on disability. And that probably pretty well represents my general particular spread of interests, although clearly I seek to represent people across the North Wales regional constituency on all matters that they ask for my help or support upon. I can be contacted either by my Assembly office or my mobile phone number or my North Wales regional office, which is in Holywell in North Wales in Flintshire. I hold surgeries across the whole of the North Wales electoral constituency and attend meetings and events again across the whole regional constituency of North Wales. And we're asked often why we come into politics. I suppose I was always one of those children who asked a lot of questions and was never satisfied with the answer. Didn't know then that that was what politics was about, but it is. It's not just about parties, it's about people dealing with each other in a way where hopefully we can settle differences and agree a way forward without resorting to the way things used to be done on the battlefield. Clearly the modern system, although imperfect, is far better than all of the alternatives. I took a degree in politics at university. Again, that wasn't about party politics as such, although we learnt about that. It was about the general discipline of politics, which I thoroughly enjoyed, although I then came out and took a career in a very different area. I came to work for a graduate trainee for a building society and ended as an area manager in North Wales for a building society, but I was also on the board of a housing association, chair of local school governors, vice chair of my local community council, chair of my local round table in Mold and so on, so getting a broader experience. Added to which my family life. I'm married to my wife Hilary now for I think 26 years. We have 6 children and 1 grandchild, which not only gives great joy to me, but also I think gives me real experience of life and what's happening to people day to day in the real world, rather than sometimes the cloistered world of the Assembly. And over this Assembly term, also we've had 9 months by the time I make this film, but there's 5 years in total to go. I hope that we'll at last see some real progress on tackling poverty in Wales, with Wales having the highest child poverty levels in the UK for many, many years, tackling the housing supply crisis, beginning to tackle the youth unemployment crisis, beginning to lift Wales from the bottom of the economic league table, where unfortunately it's fallen since the time of devolution, and generally seeing that North Wales has a strong voice in Cardiff and that its position in the all Wales context is given priority. So thank you for listening and all the very best for your own future in Wales.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.